Hey guys, welcome to this one of the top trading strategy session by me, the Sahil Aswani. And in this video and in this session, we'll be learning about my one of the top trading strategy, which I use on daily basis. And why I'm gonna share this strategy, let me explain first. I see there are many traders who are, unable to afford mentorship. There are many traders who are unable to, go for courses and all these things, right? And I thought there should be something which is really valuable, which is really powerful, which really works, right? So this is what I'm gonna do in this video, that I'm gonna teach you one of my top trading strategy which will really help you out if you're consistent with it. Okay. And if you're just executing that strategy with consistency by following the all the confirmations which I'll teach you. And this strategy is very simple, very rule based, very effective. Okay. And which will give you quite good risk reward ratio also. So let's begin with this session and see what the strategy is. And in front of me right now, we are having the Euro USD chart. The first thing is we are having the checklist here also. As you can see, I have created a checklist for this strategy. This strategy called continuation trading strategy. This is one of my top trading strategies. I have multiple strategies for different market conditions, and this is the one of the top trading strategy which I use. So I'm gonna share it for free with you here now. Okay, so but I want your complete attention, because if you miss any of these points, you may lose. Okay, because all points, all confirmations are important before taking the trade. So what is the first step here? The first step is market is clearly forming higher high, higher low, or lower low, lower high in bigger time frame. Okay, in bigger time frame, like 1 hour, 4 hour. So right now if you see, we are on Euro USD on 4 hour time frame chart, and what market is doing, we can see market is clearly forming lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? And then it was a lower high and again lower low. So it is a clear downward structure, clear downtrend. Market is forming lower lows, lower highs, so we know it is a downtrend. Now in market, there are two types of phases in a particular trend. Okay, first is continuation, second is retracement. Continuation, retracement, continuation, right? So what we are gonna do is, this is a continuation trading strategy. Okay, so what we need is, whenever market is doing the retracement, let's say market gave a fall. Okay, market formed a new low. By breaking this previous low, market formed a new low, a lower low. And जब market retrace कर रहा है, okay, when market is doing the retracement, after retracement, okay, after retracement, we'll be trading for the continuation. Okay, we'll be trading this continuation. Market is continuing to the downside. Okay, will not trade this retracement, but after this pullback, when market will continue, we'll trade that. Okay, and from where market continue? So the second point comes here. Second point of checklist is market continuing the trend from order block. So those who don't know, you can simply search on YouTube what is order block if you don't know, right? But I think it is a very common concept which all of us know, right? So here, as you can see, what market did is, whenever market creates a order block, probably, okay, most of the time market will come back to fill that order block, right? But this is not just this, but let's see this here. Here we can see this is a order block, right? This is a clear order block here of 4 hour time frame, right? This is a order block of 4 hour time frame, and as you can see, after holding here, market gave a sharp move and broke this previous low. So whenever market gives a sharp move, it creates a imbalance. जब भी market में एक sharp move आता है, whenever you see a sharp move, it creates a imbalance in the market. Okay, and whenever there is a imbalance, there is a order block. Okay, whenever there is an imbalance, whenever you see there are sharp candles like this, you can see here also, right? Imbalance is there. You can see from after this candle there is a sharp bearish candle which created a imbalance. Okay, and imbalance is pending. How imbalance is pending? Very simple. Whenever market creates a sharp move or whenever market creates an imbalance, it should come back to fill that imbalance. Imbalance कहाँ से है? यहाँ तक imbalance अभी बाकी है. Okay, market created imbalance from here and which is still pending. You can see market ने इसको fill नहीं किया. Market not yet filled it, right? But whenever market is doing something like this, let's say market created the imbalance by forming a new low. Now what will happen? Market will go back, market will retrace, and after retracement, when market will reach at the order block, what we do is we will switch the time frame. We need the Asian session liquidity sweep done. Now what is Asian session? So let me tell you, in forex market there are multiple sessions. There are multiple, different time periods in which market reacts in a certain way. Market moves in a certain way. Okay, and if you go here in indicators, just search for Asian range by Nico. You can see there is an indicator called Asian range by Nico 948. So Asian Nico by 948. Okay, so just click this indicator and you will see what will happen if you go on a smaller time frame. We are on 4 hour. Now let's go to 5 minute. Okay. If you are trading this strategy even on 15 minute, it will work quite well. Okay. But if you see what is it showing here is this is the Asian range. Okay. This is the Asian range. Daily from 5:30 or 4:30 a.m. 4:30 a.m. to 11:30 or 10:30, right? From 4:30 to 10:30 almost, Asian range. Asian range will start at 4:30 and it will end at 10:30. Now, this range, this is a range, okay? This is a range. Now, whenever market grabs the liquidity of this high and low, what do I mean by liquidity? Just try to understand. Let's say this is a Asian range. I'm drawing a example here. Okay, this is a Asian range. Now whenever market hunts the liquidity means there are stop losses. Just understand with this example. Okay, let me draw this here. Let's say market is moving inside this Asian range like this. It started at 4:30, then market is moving something like this, then it went up, then came down. Now Asian range almost ended, right? Asian range end ho chuka hai. Now let's say it is a downtrend. We are looking for selling opportunity, right? We just saw on 4 hour time frame that there is a order block. Okay, on 4 hour time frame from where we are looking for continuation to the downside. We are looking for selling opportunity, right? From there market will continue downside. So we will look for selling opportunity by continuing the trend, by following the continuation, right, to the downside. Now what confirmation we need is on 5 minute time frame. Just assume this is the Asian range, right? This is the Asian range here, and this is Asian high, and this is Asian low. So if we are looking for selling opportunity, what market should do is market should hunt the liquidity above Asian high. This is the Asian high, this is the Asian low. Market should hunt the liquidity. Liquidity means above this high there are stop losses which are pending. Okay, let's say someone who have sold here, okay, their stop losses are above this high, right? Somewhere here or somewhere here, right? Whoever shorted here because of which market came down, their stop losses are above this high, right? So if market is just taking out this high, okay, market is hunting the liquidity of this high and then changing the trend. What is the trend here on 5 minute time frame? After hunting the liquidity, If market changing the trend, what is trend here? Market is forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, how market will change the trend? Once market is breaking the previous low. If market is breaking this previous low, we can say market का trend change हो चुका है, right? Market trend is changed. So market trend is changed. So now I can look for selling opportunity here. So these are the confirmations which we need. So once Asian high or Asian low, let's say if we are looking for selling opportunity, we need liquidity hunting of Asian high. If we are looking for buying opportunity, we need a liquidity hunting of Asian low. Once market will sweep the liquidity of Asian low and then changing the trend, let's say market was forming here lower low, lower high. Okay, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now once market will break this high after hunting the liquidity, once market will break this previous high and change the trend, we will be looking for buying opportunity from the order block. So here steps are given. Okay, you can just simply make a checklist like this. So what is it? Market is clearly forming higher high, higher low, or lower low, lower high on bigger time frame. So this is done. Second step is market continuing the trend from order block. This is also done, right? We got that confirmation that there is a order block on 4 hour which is pending, and from there market can continue, right? Then Asian session liquidity sweep done. Now let's see if it is happening or not. If it is not happening, we'll go for another example, but it will happen. Okay, in majority of the cases you have to trade only whenever there is liquidity hunting. Okay, whenever there is liquidity hunting, you will trade only that particular pair. You will not trade anything else. Okay, so let's say this is the order block, and now let's say market came here. Now let's go to the smaller time frame, let's say 15 minute for now. So we have the Asian session right here. So yes, as I can see what is happening here, when market reached here, जब market यहाँ पे reach किया, okay, when market reached here, you can see from here market started going downside. Okay, market started going downside. Why? How can I know that it is a continuation? As we can see here, market was forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and market ने अपना previous low break कर दिया. Now it is forming lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? So what is the trend here? It is a downtrend. Yes. So what we do is, we know that market is continuing downside. Now we need the confirmation, right? Market is continuing from the order block. Market ने previous low break कर दिया है. Here we know that market broke this previous low, and this is the POI from where, or this is the order block from where market will continue. Now this is clear that okay, from here market will continue. Now the next step comes here is Asian liquidity hunting. So on which time frame? 5 minute and 5 minute. We will do this all these steps on 5 minute. Okay, we'll be doing all these steps on 5 minute time frame. Asian liquidity sweep done. So let's go on 5 minute time frame. Let's see what is happening. Market is falling from that POI. So let's see. Okay, so market is falling from this POI. Let's go here. As we can see, after falling, this is the first Asian range here, and as we can see, this is the high. This is the high here. And as we can see, guys, what happened? Market swept it because we want to look for sell, right? It is a continuation to the downside. So we will just follow the downward trades, okay? Downside trades. We need downside or selling trades, short selling trades, okay? So what happened here? As you can see, market hunted the liquidity of this high, as you can see. And after that, once Asian session liquidity sweep is done, okay, Asian session का liquidity hunt हो चुका है. This is the Asian session, Asian range, and liquidity hunting of this high, Asian high, is done. Here market hunted the liquidity. You can see very clearly. So let me just make it more clear here. This is the liquidity hunting, right? Now what we need? Now the next step is 5-minute break of structure. Break of structure means market should change the structure, break the structure. What structure is going on? What is going on here? Market is forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Yes or no? Or if I mark it more properly, just see, this is a higher high, higher low, then new high, then new low, then new high, right? Then new low almost equal high or higher high. So now this is the highest point here. This is the previous, this is the highest point. Okay, why this is the highest point? Because we can see market was unable to close above this high, right? इसके ऊपर market close हुआ क्या? No, there is just wick. So if there is wick, will not consider this as our previous low. Okay, if market breaks this high, then we can say this is our previous low, but until unless we will not consider this. So now we can see that this is the highest point and its previous low is here, this one, right? This is the previous low. So what we do is, when market will break this previous low here, when market will break this previous low, we will consider this as our break of structure. Once break of structure is done, once break of structure is done, what we have to do? Let's see. Once 5-minute break of structure is done, entry from 5-minute order blocks. So where is the order block on 5-minute? As we can see, after break of structure, there is a order block here itself. Okay, so we'll just enter from this order block here. This is our order block here, right here. From here we can enter and we can give some space to the stop loss. Let's say if I'm entering here and if I'm keeping my stop loss above this high, it will be very tight. I'll just give it a bit space here, and then I'll just target the next imbalance or next low. So let's see what our checklist is showing. So entry from 5-minute order block is done. Next target next high low or imbalance, anything we can target. Okay, we can target high or low, or we can target the imbalance. So what is first? As I can see, if I'm entering here, I can target this low. Okay, I can target this previous low here because I'm getting good risk reward ratio till this low. It is giving 1:4.14, right? So almost 1:4. So it's quite good, right? Market hunted the liquidity of Asian high, gave the BOS, entry, stop loss above the high, and this is the target. That's it. Now let's see next day, because market will continue, right? ऐसा नहीं होगा कि okay, it is not like market will not continue. Okay, market is just doing the continuation from here, downside. Okay, so we'll just follow this now. Again, whenever market will come back, we'll do that again. So right now what we are doing is, let's see. Again, you can see guys what happened. But market gave the entry. Market, just keep this one thing in mind. Don't trade after too long. Okay, it's not like Asian range is here and you are trading the next day or after somewhere here. No, if on same day after closing of Asian range, let's say Asian range closes at 10:30, just trade before New York session, means same day pay before 9:30. If market is doing liquidity hunting and giving you the confirmation, just go for that trade. Okay, now again what we will do is, we'll follow this step again. Okay, we will follow this step again now. So let's go back and let's see. So let's go to 1 hour or even 4 hour is good. Let's see what is happening. This was our trade. From here we got trade here somewhere. Now another day we saw that this is the order block here. This is one of the order block. Okay, market took the retracement till this order block here. Yes, market took the retracement till this. But if I go on 5-minute, let's see, is market doing the liquidity hunting or not? So what happened here is, you can see very clearly guys, very clearly you can see it was quite late. Okay, it was quite late, but it's okay. Okay, because we got the confirmation. What happened is market came at the POI. Okay, market came at the POI, and after POI you can see market started rally to the downside. POI पे आने के बाद market even broke this POI on 5 minute, but it doesn't matter because market at the end market changed the trend, right? Market ने 5 minute पे trend change कर दिया. So trend was or structure was forming higher high higher low. Okay, and market broke this previous low, and now market is forming a lower low lower high. So we can just look for trades, right? And keep this in mind, both time frame trends should be in your favor. Both time frame trends should be in your favor. Okay, if we are looking for selling opportunity, we can see that on 4 hour we are looking for lower low lower high lower low lower high lower low, right? So whenever market is forming a new lower high, we are looking for selling opportunity from there. Whenever market is look after retracement, whenever market is forming a lower high, we are looking for selling opportunity in the continuation. Okay, so same way market should be for market should form the lower low lower high. Means 4 hour time frame trend is also down, and now if we can see here, it was up. Before this it was up, right? But now market is forming lower low lower high. Okay, so both time frames, bigger time frame and smaller time frame, both time frames are in favor. So we can add one more point here if you want. Okay, market is clearly forming higher high higher low or lower low lower high in bigger time frame, uh, in bigger time frame and small and on smaller time frame too. Okay, so this is the confirmation. Now both time frames are in favor. Now let's go for the trade. Let's see where is the Asian range. Okay, so here is the Asian range, right? Market is falling from here. Next day we saw that okay, there is the here is the Asian range. So right now what happened here is we can see there was opportunity, but it was a very rapid trade. Okay, it was a very rapid move. Market didn't came at the order block. So you can see this was the Asian high. Let me just remove this. Okay, let me just for a second, let me remove all this, drawing here. Now let's go here. Market started forming lower low lower highs. Now what happened is this was the Asian high. Okay, and this was the Asian low. Now what we need? If we are looking for short selling opportunity, market should hunt the liquidity of Asian high. Okay, after hunting the liquidity of Asian high, if market is giving BOS, we can look for the trade to the downside. What happened here? Market hunted the liquidity, right? Market took out this high, right? Market took out this high. Here you can see market broke this, grabbed the liquidity of this high. Now what we need? We need a BOS. Where is the BOS? Here is the BOS, right? This is our previous low. Yes or no? This is our previous low. So we can say this is our BOS. But after BOS, what I can see is market didn't came at the order block. You can see, right? Exactly, you can see what happened. There are many order blocks, okay? There are many order blocks. But as we can see, market didn't came at the order block here itself. This was our order block. And after breaking this low, market didn't came at this order block and it just kept falling, right, to the downside. So yeah, what we can say, we missed this trade. Okay, there is nothing wrong with it. We missed it. That's it. Okay, we missed it. Or if there is no much different after break of structure, if order block is almost near, you can also enter here directly. Okay, and keep your if you are getting good risk reward ratio, but it's gone now. Again, if you see same the after a day, again same thing happened, but we need the all the confirmations again. Okay, we need all the confirmations again. So I hope it's giving you the clarity. Now let me show you one more example. Let's go to GBP USD. Okay, I don't know if there is any latest trade or not, but yeah, let's see. So as we can see, whenever market came at the order block, okay, we'll look for the trade whenever market came. Okay, so right now we can see that here what market was doing is on 4 hour time frame, we can see very clearly that market was, forming higher high, high low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay. Then market broke this previous low. Okay. Then market started the downtrend and market started forming lower low, lower high. Okay. And lower low and lower high, lower low, lower high, like this. So what I saw is after this break, market turned into downtrend, downward trend. So what I can see here in a downtrend, there is one of the example that market, market was forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, because there was a order block or there was a POI where market took the retracement. Okay, and after retracement again it gave a formed a new low, and uske baad we can see what happened after that. That after this market, after forming this new low, okay, after forming this new low, market took the retracement. Okay, took the retracement. So retracement kahan pe hua hai? Where it happened? It happened at order block, right? This is the order block. 4 hour time frame order block. You can even mark this complete candle. Okay. So this is the order block, right? How it is the order block? Now don't ask this basic question, because as you can see very clearly, right? It was forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay. And higher low, higher high. Then market broke this previous low and it started forming lower low. So it is a lower high. It is a retracement. Now it will continue. That's it. Very basics, right? So now let's go to 5 minute and we check the same trade here. So it's important, right? We need the POI. So again, I'm just removing all these. Now let's begin with the A itself, or the starting. The first step is market is clearly forming higher high, low, or lower lower and bigger on and on a smaller time frame too. So on bigger time frame, it is forming lower low, lower high, right? Now let's see on a smaller time frame what is happening. Where it is. I hope we can find. Oh, sorry. So it is not showing. Let's see. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, we'll get it. Yeah. So on 15-minute time frame, we can see very clearly that market came at this order block, and from there we can already see, right? Market came at this order block here and started forming lower low, lower high, lower low. Yes, lower high, and market is falling downside. And next day, if we see, did we got any trade? No, there is no trade at all, right? Guys, as you can see, market came at the POI, but there is no trade here. Market was unable to grab the liquidity of this high. As you can see, this is the high, this is the Asian high, and market was unable to grab this liquidity. So we'll do nothing here. Okay, we'll do nothing here. We'll just, look for another trade. And keep this in mind. What I'm teaching you is it is a continuation strategy. Okay, in whichever pair you are seeing that market is doing continuation. Okay, market is doing the continuation. Then from that area, from that particular area, you can simply use this Asian system and you can look for trades. It's not it is not always important that it must be on POI. It must be on POI. Let's understand with this. For example, what I'm saying is market continuing the trend from order block. Okay, yes, I'm saying this, but let's assume right now, let's say on 4 hour time frame, as we know that in this example, what market is doing is market gave the fall, took the retracement, but do you think there is any order block? Is there any order block? There is no order block, but still market continued downside, right? How? After retracement. Now let's understand one simple concept here. Okay, just understand one simple concept. Go to Fibonacci, go here, select the Fibonacci tool, and if you apply this Fibonacci tool, it will look something like this in the beginning. Okay, it will look something like this. Just go to the settings, keep 0, remove 0.3, keep 1, Remove everything else. So keep 0, 0.5 and 1. That's it. We need these three levels. Now after okay, it will look something like this. Okay. So there are three levels. 100%, or you can say zeros, 0.5 and 1. So 0.5 is a 50% area. 50% means middle area or equilibrium area. Okay. So what you will do is whenever market retraces, whenever market is forming, okay, whenever market is following a trend, most of the time it will retrace till 50% or more than 50%, and then it will continue. If there is any order block above 50%, that's good, but if it is not, still it can continue by retracing up to 50%. Again it will retrace up to 50% or above 50%, then it can continue, right? So this is what can happen. So for example, this was the high here, this was our high, this is our low, and market took the retracement more than 50% or up to 50%. And after retracing to 50%, जैसे ही 50% retracement complete हो चुका है, once 50% retracement is done or more than that, if market is changing the trend on a smaller time frame, okay, smaller time frame भी हमारे favor में आ गया है. How? Let's understand with this example. Okay, then we can look for trades by using the same strategy here. That for example, here what happened, this is our previous high, okay, and this is our low, this is our low, and you can see till which point market took the retracement, till which point, 50%, right? Exactly at 50% market came. Now what we need is, market took the retracement till 50%, so we can say that market took the retracement till the equilibrium area. This is a equilibrium area, okay, equilibrium area, and above this area, this is called premium area. Below this is a discounted area. Okay, so if market took the retracement more than or up to 50%, now if we are getting the confirmation, let's say, we know guys, big time frame trend is down. Okay, big time frame trend is down, but what is happening on a smaller time frame? A smaller time frame trend is up, right? Market is forming higher high, higher low. So what do we need? We will wait for market to change the trend. Market should break the previous low and it should start forming lower low, lower highs, right? So once market do this, once market will break this previous low, once we are confirmed that okay, market is clearly forming higher high, higher low, or lower low, lower high in bigger time frame and on smaller time frame too. Okay, on smaller time frame too. So smaller time frame is also in our favor, major time frame is also in our favor. Okay, bigger time frame and smaller time, both are in favor. Now once this is done, market broke this low, now we will look for the trades. Okay, because now market is continuing. So as we can see, next day what happened here is, this was the Asian range. You can see this is the Asian high. You can see what market did is, market took off this high and grabbed the liquidity of this high, right? Market grabbed the liquidity of this high. Now after after liquidity hunting, if market is giving the BOS, if market is giving the BOS, we will look for the trade. Okay, so on 5-minute time frame, what will be my BOS here? This previous low, right? This is the previous low here. This is the previous low. This is my BOS. So market gave the BOS here, right? यहाँ पे BOS हो गया. BOS is done. But as I can see, there was no retracement on same day because of momentum. There sometimes there is fast momentum, there is low momentum. But what has happened here is, after BOS, you can see there is no retracement. Now what you can do in this situation? Do you miss the trade? No. You can do one simple thing is, simply, okay, simply, if just understand, just listen to me carefully. Okay, after BOS, let's say candle gave the closing here, and if you are entering directly here, almost after BOS, market is closing near the BOS, okay, not too away from here. Let's say there is a very big candle which gave the BOS, then possibility is there it will retrace. Okay, then there is a possibility if market is doing something with a very sharp move, then it is a very high possibility that market will retrace and market will come at your order block. Okay, market will come at your order block and you can enter and you can keep your stop loss above it and you can rally to the downside. But what happened here is there was no sharp move while giving the BOS. Because of that reason, market just kept falling downside. Okay, so now what you can do in this situation, keep your stop loss here. But we can see there is a previous, high. There is a previous bullish, oh sorry, there's a previous bullish candle, or you can see there is a hold. Okay, what do I mean by hold is market came down and before BOS there was a hold here. Okay, there is a hold here which is forming up ऑर्डर ब्लॉक राइट. अगर यहाँ पे एक शार्प मूव आता तो यहाँ पे ये हमारा ऑर्डर ब्लॉक होता राइट. So we can use this as our order block, right? So what I'm doing is I'm just simply entering directly here so that I don't miss the trade and I can keep my stop loss above this high and then I can target the next low. Okay, whichever, wherever there is next low or wherever there is next imbalance. Let's say here in previous area here, let's go back and here I can see there is a good order block or there is a good imbalance which I can target. Okay, which is pending. Okay, so we can simply target this here. So I just want that we get at least 1:3, at least 1:3. Okay, so what we are getting right now here, till this point we are getting 1:1.8. So should we exit here? Personally what I will suggest you, personally what I will suggest all of you is don't exit here. But if there is any order block in between and if market come at that order block, simply when market touch this order block, simply bring your stop loss to the break even. That's it. So what will happen? Either you will book big profit or you will exit at break even. That's it. There is no loss. There is no chance for loss, right? So after this order block, if there is any another order block or if there is another imbalance, so what I can see is there is, so let me remove this Fibonacci, and there is another imbalance we can see in this candle. Okay, so let's target this one. See guys, if you don't know what is imbalance and all these things, you can simply YouTube it. Okay, these basic things, basic concepts are available on YouTube also. So 1:3.36 we are getting. Okay, so that's it. I hope you got the exam, got the clarity here that what happened in previous trade. I said that we can even miss this, we can even miss that trade because that trade gave a sharp move. That trade gave a sharp move while while breaking the BOS, but it didn't came right. But here there was no sharp move. Okay, rapid move. There is no good imbalance. So that's why I said okay, let's enter here. Okay, there are no sharp candles. So next, let's see here. So market came till this point. Let me show you another example also, guys. Let's go to AUD NZD. What happened in AUD NZD is, market is clearly in a downtrend overall, and market did the, market, this was the previous high. Market was forming lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, and suddenly what happened is market broke this previous high here. Market ने break कर दिया, and again, but market didn't went up. Market didn't went up like this after breaking the BOS. What it did is it broke this previous low again. Okay, so market broke this previous low. So now again trend is down. So I was like, okay, trend is down. Now what can I do? So there is a 4-hour POI from where market will continue, right? From there market will continue. So what I did is I'll just go to 5 minute, and now we can look for short selling opportunities from that also. Okay, from that also we can look for short selling opportunities. So when market came here is, After giving the BOS, market gave the BOS, took the retracement, but still, market came here in the Asian range, and after that, this is the Asian range, another one, but there is no entry. Okay, there is no liquidity hunting. Okay, there is no liquidity hunting, so I'll just leave it. Let's go to another pair. See, guys, this system is a continuation trading system. Okay, and whichever pair you see that there is continuation happening at the Asian range timing. Okay, let's say in the morning, according to Indian standard time, India के time के हिसाब से, whenever in the morning after 11 o'clock. Okay, after 11 o'clock means 11 a.m. After 11 a.m. in the morning, whichever pair has done the retracement and now started doing the continuation, means both time frame trends are in your favor after retracement. Okay, after retracement on a smaller time frame also, market is in your favor now. Now both time frame, both time frames are in your favor. Let's say if you're looking for sell, big time frame is also down, and after retracement, small time frame is also down. Okay, after retracement, small time frame is also down. So now it means if both time frames are same, it means market is in a continuation phase. Very simple rule. If both time frame, bigger time frame and smaller time frame, both time frames are in same direction, it means market is in a continuation phase. Okay, market is continuing. That's it. Very simple logic. Let's say if you're looking for buy, let's say if you're looking for buying, so market will form higher high, high low, higher high, higher low. So after retracement, overall it is an uptrend, right? Because market is forming higher high, higher low. So it is an uptrend. Now after retracement, on 5 minute, if market breaks, if you just zoom this area on a smaller time frame, if you go on a smaller time frame, you will see what is happening. Market is forming lower low, lower high, like this, something like this on a smaller time frame, right? So if market breaks that previous high on a smaller time frame, now both time frames, bigger time frame is also forming higher high, higher low. Now a smaller time frame, after breaking this previous high, smaller time frame is also forming higher high, higher low. So both time frames are in same direction, right? So it means it is a continuation phase. Very simple, right? So in continuation, what we will do? We'll be looking for buying opportunity. That's it. Now you will use this system after 11 a.m. in the morning. So right now, I'm just randomly opening the chart, right? But let's say next morning, if I open the all the pairs, if I just go through all the 30 pairs, 31 forex pairs, I'm sure I'll find at least 3 4 setups easily. Easily you can find 3 4 setups. But what we will be doing is we need high probability setups, right? So what you will do, you will just make sure you are following all the confirmations. After taking all these confirmations, you are entering in the trade. Okay, you are entering in the trade. So what will happen? If you are doing that, you will be getting the high probability setups. And even if you are getting 2 3 setups in a week, you can be a profitable trader if you can just execute them and you are not doing anything stupid out of it. Okay, if you can simply execute the system and if you can just work on this system, it will require some work. Okay, by watching this session, by joining this session, and by understanding this strategy from me, it's not enough. After this, you just go to the charts, practice it, not just on charts. Next day in the morning, from after 11 a.m., open the market. Okay, open the laptop, open the charts, go through the charts. Let's see which pair is in a retracement now, which pair is about to continue. Just look at those charts, look for confirmations, and then go, right? So it will become easier for you. Okay, so I hope guys this session gives you the complete clarity about the continuation trading strategy. I'll also do one more thing. I'll also share a checklist. I have already shared the checklist, but I'll also share a PDF of examples. Okay, I'll share a PDF with you which will give you the examples of this particular trading strategy, okay, which will show you the examples that this is the POI, this is the BOI, this is the order block, I took this trade here, and all these things. So what will happen whenever you are in confusion, you can simply look at those charts and you can, you know, remind yourself that this is what the system is, and that those examples will give you more clarity. Okay, it will make things more easier. So I'll also give you that. Okay, so you can just get that by clicking the link below, and I'll see you next time, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and I'll see you soon with the next session soon. So till then, bye bye, take care. And if you have any query related to my course, to my mentorship, you can simply click the link below, and you can visit my website, and also you can WhatsApp me to the given number. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next session soon. Goodbye.